In today's video, let me show you how to use Adobe Firefly for free. Now, normally this is a paid plan, but it does also provide some free tier features that you can use. But however, remember that these features are going to be limited, and as long as you have credit left over, you can use these free plans. So to see your credits, you can click on the option on the top, and then right here you can see the complimentary generations that you've left. However, you can still use them. If you click on these models, you can see all of the models that you can freely use. Some models may be paid and some models may be free to use. However, as I said, remember that you're gonna have a limited credits. So you can still generate images from text using some of these features or some of these models, such as Firefly Image 4, which as you can see is a free model and does not have this crown, which indicates that it is paid. So apart from this, you can see the partner models, which are all paid in this case. But if you want to stick to the free tier option, make sure you select these two, which is the Firefly Image 4 or the Firefly Image 3. So using these models, you'll be able to generate any sort of images and also change the aspect ratio as well. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.